In Mayan Ketchi, Pibil means buried, and that describes exactly how this dish is prepared. The whole pig is marinated in oranges, garlic, and red annato recado from Mike's village. Then, wrapped in banana leaves, after that, the pig is buried and slow cooked for about 12 hours. The pibil will be served with tortillas made by Marivel, who will assist Mike. Also, an assortment of salsas, salads, roasted vegetables, and a host of other condiments will also be served. For people that don't do pork, we'll prepare some poultry in the same traditional way. And for an appetizer, we'll serve Gibnut Tamales. Of course, chocolate along with avocado is the gold in the Mayan history, so we'll make a less traditional avocado cheese cake as well as Smokey Chocolate Mousse using traditionally made Mayan chocolate.
Cochinita Pibil at Chef Rob's. Maya Mike and Chef Rob. You guys excited? Ready to go today?
You know what time it is?
Well, the sun's up, but it is early. How's that pig treating you, Rob?
Woohoo!
Put a saddle on her and call her Sally.
Watch your head, Dean.
Alright. Just try not to get Pibil's butthole in the shot. I'm not sure what the rating is on this film. Was awesome.
That's it. Did I make a mistake?
No, you are perfect. That was great.
Come on, do you stop?
Barb, introduce yourself, because if you have a name, you're probably going to make it.
If you have a name, you're safe.
Yep, you have it safe.